I actually really liked it. I wasn't expecting him to be so positive and hands-on.
Class was awesome. I learned so much from this class.
Class is actually is great. It really got me to understand the why and what and how.
Great.
Loved it.
Great.
Loved everything about it.
Mind-blowing because we learned so much.
It was beyond enjoyable.
Oh, it was really good. Really helped me gain an understanding of how to create more movement in the hair.
I think it was, even if you know just the basics, it was amazing. And it kind of puts a new perspective on cutting hair.
For being advanced, I actually still kind of like put a new spin on things for me that I thought was really fun.
His curling technique, because that was something that I've not experienced or done in the salon before.
The undercut that creates all the movement in the haircut.
Nude wave, yeah, that's something that I was uncomfortable with, but by getting the hands-on class, it really made me feel a lot comfortable.
I have been in so many classes. One of my favorite parts about the class is learning just different ways of undercutting.
I really loved how he was able to teach us the technical part of the haircut, but also give us the visual.
For me, it was about being free-handed and the creativity in the cutting, and also from the new waves.
Definitely would say the new wave by far. That's a technique that I'll definitely utilize in the salon.
There's a lot more feeling the hair and kind of feeling the texture of things instead of like trying to make every single thing precise.
The way he goes about doing the layers and making them so soft while still having that sort of lift-in sort of effect. It's great.
Anyone who's interested in hair cutting at all should definitely at least look into taking one of the classes.
Yes, I recommend this class to every hairstylist out there, especially if you really love to have messy, lift-in hair and bobs. It's awesome for that.
I suggest that everyone should give it a try.
Absolutely.
He was so honest and raw and open.
I'd recommend to everybody!
Everybody. If you've been doing it for 10 years, 20 years, everybody should take the class.
Absolutely. What I really liked about this class is there were different stylists of all different skill sets. You can be in the industry for 1 or 2 years, or you can be a veteran, been doing hair for 15 years, and you can still get it down.
Totally.
Yes, for
Absolutely.
sure.
Starting out, Tyra been doing hair for 3 years.
Yeah.
I mean, it has helped her a lot, but then for me, who's been doing it for like 10, it was still, I think, really great.
Even if you know just the basics or you're like fresh out of beauty school or if you've been doing it for a very long time, I think you can still get something from the class.